Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Galaxy wearable application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see this page, the device page basically for your watch. And on it you should see Galaxy Watch 6. Once you see this page, tap on the watch faces option and it should open the watch faces menu. And here you can scroll through the different categories. As you can see, find the category you want to install the watch face from, and then scroll through the list of watch faces in the category and find the watch face you would like to download. And as you can see, some of the watch faces have this download button, and basically we can download them and install them on our watch. So find the watch face you can download, tap on it to start downloading it. Sometimes you might get asked to log in into a Samsung account because you need to have you need to be logged in into a Samsung account. So if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in, and if you don't have an account, you can always make a new one. So once you log in into a Samsung account, you tap on the watch face, it will start downloading, and let's wait until it's done. Okay, as you can see, it seems to be stuck on the download process. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna close the app and I'm gonna reopen it because I believe it just got stuck. And when we reopen the app, go back to watch faces and find the watch face we were installing. I believe it was this one. You will see that it's downloaded actually. So sometimes it just bugs out and it gets stuck, but the watch face downloaded because the X button is here. That means that the watch face is installed. So once the watch face is done installing, you can tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. Okay, you can also download watch faces through the Google Play Store directly on your watch. So to do it, you will need to have the connection to the internet on your watch. So basically you need to connect your watch to the internet, like Wi-Fi network or LTE if you have the LTE watch. And you also need to have a Google account copied from your phone to your watch so you can use the Google Play Store. Once you have both things, we can continue, and now we can move this to the side, zoom in the screen, the camera, so you can see the watch better. Okay, and then we can wake up the screen by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu. In the menu, you can scroll down, tap on the Google Play Store icon to open the Play Store. And this is the Play Store. As you can see on the homepage of the Play Store, we have different categories of watch faces. We have classic watch faces, watch faces of the week and stuff like that. And you can tap on See More to browse the categories. You can also tap on Search right here and select the watch faces category and tap on Search, and it will basically filter the search for the only watch faces. And here we have it. Okay, so find the watch face you would like to use on your watch in the App Store or the Play Store. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then tap on Install to download and install the watch face. Okay. And once the watch face is done installing, you will see the uninstall button, which means that the watch face is installed. And after you install it, you can go back to home screen, press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, like this. And after you open the watch face menu, find the option called Add Watch Face, tap on it, and here scroll through the list of watch faces and find the watch face you installed. It's gonna be somewhere in the downloaded category. Here we have it. And there's the watch face we installed. Tap on it to select it. It's gonna be added to the watch face menu. Then you can tap on it to apply it. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.